Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. The second staging of the Unity in the City concert took place on Easter Monday at the National Stadium. The event saw top gospel acts delivering exceptional sets. Among the acts were DJ Nicholas, Kevin Downswell, Jermaine Edwards, and international stars Israel Houghton, JJ Hairston, and headliner Travis Green.
This is my first time singing in Jamaica. We've been here before, but not to sing. We just came to vacation, so this was awesome. Just stay united in worship. Don't ever feel like you have to be separated by nationality or class. We're all together in God's eyes, and we should worship God together as much as we can.
Kevin Downswell gave patrons a treat as he performed the hits "If It's Not You, You Make Me Stronger," among others. The vibrant sound of new gospel continued with the Jermaine Edwards, who sang some of the crowd's favorites like Nabo, Beautiful Day, and Hallelujah.
We need more of this. The people not coming to strip, yet they love us, but you can tell that their focus is God. And so I appreciate that.
Headliner Travis Green gave an excellent performance again this year as he kicked off the Caribbean leg of his ongoing crossover tour at the concert.
All things are working for my good. He's intentional. Never failing, never failing.
Energy, the love for Jesus is contagious, and I just gotta stop here to what I call my second home, Jamaica. I love it here, love the worship here, love the culture, and I had to come and see my family.
Travis performed his hits, Intentional and Made a Way. Unity in the City also saw special appearances from comedians It and Blacka Ellis, Mr. Handsome and Zazan, and singers Rondo Positive and Chevelle Franklin. Now, Busy Signal is scheduled to return to the US to perform at Groovin' in the Park a year after his set was questionably cut at the event. Grooving in the Park is set to take place on June 24 at Roy Wilkins Park in Queens, New York. The show ended abruptly back in 2017 when Busy's microphone went silent after 20 minutes in his set. Groovin' in the Park marked Busy's return to the US in 2017. This year, Groovin' in the Park celebrates its 8th anniversary and will also feature Capleton, Romain Virgo, and Babyface as performers. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. Thank you for watching.